The king is here! What's poppin', royal people? King of new foods, king of new drinks in the building, yes sir. And today, Popcornopolis, Takis popcorn, yes. Hot chili pepper lime artificial flavor popcorn. Very good, very good. Now, they had these before, but in a cone kind of shape, and they was a little bag. But these popping right here, yes. Sam's Club, baby. Sam's Club. Go get them if you have a Sam's Club. Hopefully, they'll be in Walmart. And this is how it looks. The fire, the tangy, everything hits. Just like a tacky. Just like the regular ones. So, they did a hell of a job with this product. Very good. Very good. Your kids will love it if they love tacky. Their popcorn, it's right there. It's for you to reach. It's for you to grab. Go get it. Get it right now. My review on this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, people. It's the king of new food, king of new drink in the building. Now he's out. You have a blessed day. Peace. And before you go, check this out.